A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We know the IUPAC naming of simple alkanes, right? Then look into the carbon chain here. A straight chain of 5 carbon atoms, right? Then look into the structure. Chain of 5 carbon atom. But what is the change in the carbon chain here? Yes, one carbon atom is a branch here. It's clear that one carbon atom has formed a branch. Then what would be the structure if hydrogen atoms were added here? We get CH3, CH2, CH, and there is a branch in that carbon atom CH3, then CH3. We get a branched hydrocarbon. Then we are going to name this compound. According to IUPAC rules, we are going to name these compounds. The naming are done according to some IUPAC rules. The chain with the maximum number of carbon atom is considered as the main chain. The rest will be the branches. So let's see how many carbon chains are there in this compound. First, the straight chain that contains 4 carbon atoms, right? Then left 4 carbon atom, that is also a chain. Then from right including the branch, it's a carbon chain, contains 3 carbon atom. Which will be the main chain? Yes, the carbon chain containing 4 carbon atom. It is the main chain. So we get the main chain. Now we have to find out the position of branch. The position of branch can be found out by numbering carbon atoms in the main chain. The numbering of carbon atoms in the chain should be done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the branch get the lowest number. In this compound, we are going to find the position number of branch. When we numbering from left, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the branch number 3. Then when we numbering from right, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, we get branch number 2. Which will be numbered correctly? Second one, right? In that numbering, the branch get lowest number. Then which group here is a branch? CH3, right? What is the characteristic of CH3? Is the valency is completed? No, the valency of carbon atom is not completed. What is the difference between CH4 and CH3? In CH4, all the valencies of carbon atom is satisfied by hydrogen. When a hydrogen is removed from an alkane, it changes to a reactive group of atoms. These are called radicals. So, CH4 is methane. When a hydrogen is removed from CH4, we get CH3. It is a radical called methyl radical. Then CH3, it is ethane. When a hydrogen is removed from ethane, we get CH3CH2, a reacting group. It is called ethyl radical. So, in our compound, the branch is methyl radical. Now we know the number of carbon atoms in the main chain, that is 4 carbon atoms. Then now we know the name of branch and branch number. Now we are going to name the compound. First we have to indicate the position of branch. What is the position of branch here? 2. Then we have to put a hyphen. That means 2 hyphen. Then we have to add the radical name. What is the name of radical or what is the name of branch? Yes, methyl. So 2 hyphen methyl. Then we have to add the alkane. How many carbon atoms are in the main chain? 4 carbon atoms, right? So the word root is but. It is a alkane. So we have to add the suffix ane. So butane. So what is the name of organic compound? 2 hyphen methyl butane. So our organic compound is 2 methyl butane. Let's see another example. Here is a compound. We have to find out the main carbon chain of this compound. First, a straight chain is here, right? A straight chain of 4 carbon atom. Then this is another chain which contains 5 carbon atom. Then this is the another chain which contains 4 carbon atom, right? So which is the main chain? Yes, the carbon chain containing 5 carbon atom. Clear? In this way, we can find out the main chain of organic compound. Clear? Now you know how to find out the main chain. Then some organic compounds are given. We have to find out the main chain of that particular compound and we have to give IUPAC name to that compounds. Let's see what is the first compound. The first compound, the compound containing 5 carbon atom in the main chain, right? So the straight chain is the main chain. The main chain containing 5 carbon atom. Then a branch is attached to second carbon atom, right? While naming organic compounds, the branch should get the lowest number. When we numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, the branch get the number 2. Then when we numbering from right to left, the branch get the number 4. So we select the number 2. That means the lowest number. Then the branch there is methyl radical. So what is the name of that organic compound? First we have to mention the branch number, that is 2. Then put hyphen, then name of branch, methyl, then our alkane, pentane. So the name of organic compound is 2-methyl pentane. The next compound, which is the main chain? Yes, the straight chain containing 5 carbon atoms. So the word root is pent. It is a alkane. So we have to add the suffix ane to the word root. So we get pentane. Then now we have to find out the position of branch. When we numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the branch get the number 3. Then when we numbering from right to left, there also the branch get the number 3. So the branch number is 3. Here the branch is methyl group. So the name of organic compound is 3-methyl pentane. Now we know how to give IUPAC name to branched hydrocarbons. Then how will we give IUPAC name to those hydrocarbons which contains more than one branch? Let's study about later. See you.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാബ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.